Hello traders, hello everyone. Welcome to our new video here on TradingView, which I will just talk about Ethereum. As you know, we are sharing a lot of our free analysis here on this our TradingView profile, and I want to update you on the Ethereum because we have seen some very nice bearish resumption. So as you know, we've been looking for deeper correction, as I've been also talking about this corrective phase in our webinars here on TradingView. We said that most likely we are headed even lower, and that we are just going to slow down in a higher degree correction before we may again take over, because we were able to identify 5 waves down. So always when you see 5 waves down from a new high or 5 waves up from a new low, well, you should be watching or observing potential changes in trend, okay, or at least just sideways price action. It's definitely not a continuation pattern, okay. So if you see 5 waves down from a new high, it means that most likely market will continue lower rather than resume back to the upside. So here we have this updated count now, looking at the Ethereum. So that was 5 waves down, which indicated that market has found a top, and then afterwards we have seen a corrective recovery, which still can be counted in 3 waves. So ideally that was wave B that stopped at the perfect 61.8%. Also notice that there was obviously the upper parallel trendline resistance of this corrective channel, which was recently broken. So it looks like that we are now headed lower into the wave C. Now, usually in ideal scenarios, you will see that wave C can be equal to the length of wave A measured from end of a wave B. So this comes in around just slightly below 1700. So we are not actually that far away, meaning that possibly already during the weekend or next week, we should see a response from that level. So we either will bounce or maybe break significantly lower. Now, from a bullish perspective, keep in mind that we are in bullish mode since start of the year. So obviously, I want to look each pullback in 3 waves as a potential correction. But the important is what we have to see to make sure that maybe this correction has come to an end. Well, you definitely want to see an impulsive recovery away from the lower trendline support. So if this is the corrective downward channel, okay, and we think that we are in a wave C, then wave C should stop somewhere around this lower parallel trend line. So I want market to confirm if I'm correct or not. I want to see the potential of 5 waves up and response and bounce from that area, because I clearly know that I can be wrong and that market can do whatever it wants. So in case we will just break this trend line and maybe finish the week somewhere below 1600, then obviously this broken channel lower trendline support, so meaning broken channel support in a downtrending market, is very important bearish structure. So in such case, I would avoid Ethereum and cryptos in general, because I think that afterwards there can be even lower, deeper prices coming. So I think that this 1700 again or 1680, it's very important key level for bulls. I want to see bounce from that area to make sure that bulls are still alive. If that level is broken decisively, then in my opinion we could continue even lower. But of course, a lot will depend on the US dollar and expectations regarding the Fed. We know that inflation is still a big global problem. So this is definitely something that is driving the markets across the board. Okay, traders, have a good weekend and talk to you soon. Bye.